Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. Alright, it is about 1:32 p.m. I don't know why it says a.m., but it's supposed to be p.m. Anyways, I just got the email telling me that it just got delivered. Well, it got delivered like about an hour, no, like 30 minutes. So, school don't get out until 2:40. So, you know I had to do the race. Shout out TK. Anyways, just got home, checked the box, see how it goes. Most of the time, don't come in the box. It's just like in a plastic bag wrapped. So you know how that goes. You know how it goes. Looks like no one might be home at the time.
Yo, hello? I'm with a drum, got that pack, going for the low. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
This shit banging. Alright, so far everything good. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, can't believe I copped this, bro. It's every man's dream of owning Vlone, right? I mean, it's cool. It comes in a bag. I mean, a lot of the Supreme stuff, like shirts and all that, come in baggies like this. But I wish I had more like the Supreme type of thing, like the Bape, because Bape has like the Bape clothing and it has like the trademarks. Supreme has, I think it has like the box logo too on the bags, but I ain't tripping. That shit's little nice. You know what the thing is? After I bought this, I checked the website again and it said sold out. So I think I might have just got the last one. I mean, they don't say anything else, like not a receipt or anything, or is it in the bag, or this shit nice. Wow, this shit too nice. Oh shit. This shit way too nice. This shit way too nice. Vlone on me and shit. And wait for the best part. Wait for the best part. We lit! Oh yeah, baby. You ain't wasn't expecting that, huh? Got the V on my back and shit. Vlone and shit, man. Hey, tell Little Uzi to call me. Tell Little Uzi to call me. Playboy Cardi 2 and A$AP Rocky. A$AP, I don't know about A$AP Rocky because that man's a weirdo. Anyways, fuck with me, Poppy. You know how to go, man. That shit nice. The Vlone and shit. Oh. You know it's real when it's shit. Don't even print it on the back. It's more like they stitch it. That shit nice. I like that. You know what I mean? V's and shit.